Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to dislike a job on Upwork. I wonder why you want to know how to dislike a job on Upwork. Maybe because you think the person is paying too low for the job, or maybe the criteria isn't suitable, or there is something which is unethical or inappropriate. So you just want to let the authorities know so that they don't show you these kinds of job ever again. Or maybe there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Upwork app from Google Play Store or App Store, and once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account. Just simply tap on the icon of the Upwork app to open it. It will just take a while to load. After that you will see its interface. This is how the Upwork app looks. We have options at the bottom and even at the top. At bottom we have five options. You have to click on the first option which is on the left side, which is jobs, because all the jobs are available at that position, and through these jobs we could easily unlike or dislike any kind of jobs. So you can find jobs through two to three ways: by most recent and the preferred ones. So you can choose any one of these options. After that you have to find the job that you think isn't appropriate and you want to dislike it for any reason. So for that, just simply search for that job. Once we find that job that we want to dislike it, we will dislike it and we will see the reason why we are disliking it. So as you can see, we have multiple jobs on the screen. These are the recommended ones. And if you think that the job that you're looking for isn't here, so what you could do is you could go to the search bar and there you could search for that job. You just have to type the skill or any kind of skill set or maybe word, and the job will appear on your screen. And from these jobs, you just have to simply tap on the job that you think isn't appropriate and you want to dislike it. Here I have selected a job and now we will dislike it. But before, we have to read its title, its description, and all of the job so we could make a decision if we have to dislike it or not. So here you can see we have this icon. This is a thumbs down. Once you click on it, this is a dislike option. Once you click on it, you will get many options on your screen. So you have to select a reason for that, why you think that job is not suitable or why are you disliking that job. So you can choose any one of these options, whatever you think is the reason for you. As you have to read all that, then you can make a decision. So what happens when you click any one of these is that the jobs that are related to it or jobs that are similar to it will not be again on your screen. The Upwork will filter out such jobs for you and will only show you the jobs of your interest and your preferences. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can dislike a job on Upwork. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.